Once upon a time in Candyland, Jack's family was in a bind for money. In harsh times, Jack and his mom seemed to butt heads.
I've been slaving over these sandwiches for hours, and you don't seem to show an ounce of appreciation. Get up and do something with your life besides wasting our time with that good-for-nothing Jack.
Woman, I am done with you. I ain't never coming back to this place.
On his way to see Jackie, Jack ran into the magic man.
What are you doing, man?
Just looking for a fella like you to show up. I make all your problems go away. I'm the magic man.
You make my psychotic mom go away, bro.
Man, I hooked you up. That's my people car. I gotta skedaddle.
Jack wasn't sure to do with the beans that the magic man gave him, so he tossed them aside and went to see Jackie.
Man, I don't know about this. What up, girl?
Look at that stuff!
That's a huge stop.
I wonder what's up there.
There's only one way to find out.
I ain't climbing that stock. I just got my weed done.
Woman, in about 5 minutes, I'll be climbing that stalk, and you best be climbing with me. Give me a boost.
After several minutes of struggling, they finally made it up the gigantic beanstalk. Jack and Jackie spotted a mean giant.
Fee-fi-fo-fum. I smell the blood of a gangster thug.
Hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your husband, because there's a giant. Be killing everybody up in here.
And girl Jackie, where you been all my life?
Boy, you best be watching your tongue. Unless you plan on giving me some of that money you got over your shoulder.
It's gonna cost you, boy.
Give you Jackie for it.